Hello, welcome back to Gyan Darshan tutorial page on YouTube and on other social sites like Facebook. Now, in this video, we are going to discuss from the 11th transaction. Here is the 11th transaction. From onward, this I will discuss today up to 15th transaction. So, the 11th transaction in the books of Mrs. Ram Enterprises on 2nd Jan 2025 that they sold goods worth of rupees 5 lakh out of which 2 lakh in cash and balance by check. अब देखिए ये जो ट्रांजैक्शन है इस ट्रांजैक्शन में इसका मैं एंट्री करके आप लोग को बता रहा हूँ कि क्या डेबिट और क्या क्रेडिट होगा। देखिए इस ट्रांजैक्शन में गुड्स को बेचा जा रहा है तो एक सेल्स अकाउंट होगा एक्सक्यूज मी सॉरी इसमें एक सेल्स अकाउंट होगा 5 लाख से sales account is an income, it is increasing, so sales account shall be credited while we are receiving cash 2 lakh, so cash account will also be debited on increase and rest 3 lakh bank account will increase, so bank account shall be debited. So the journal entry for this transaction on 2nd Jan will be cash account debit 2 lakh, bank account debit 3 lakh to सेल्स अकाउंट ये क्रेडिट में चला जाएगा टोटल 5 लाख and the narration will be being goods sold for 5 lakh of which 2 lakh received in cash and balance by check. ये narration हम लोग इसको लिखेंगे. I am not writing here. The 12th transaction in the books of Mrs. Ram Enterprises that they bought goods worth of rupees 10 lakh. यहाँ गुड्स खरीद रहे से पहले वाले ट्रांजेक्शन में क्या था वो लोग गुड्स को बेच रहे थे और इस ट्रांजेक्शन में क्या दिखा रहा है कि दे आर बाइंग द गुड्स वर्थ ऑफ रुपीज 10 लाख आउट ऑफ विच 4 लाख इन कैश एंड बैलेंस बाय चेक. तो परचेज कर रहे हैं सो परचेज अकाउंट इज एन एक्सपेंस इट विल इंक्रीज बाय रुपीज 10 लाख डेबिट बट कैश एंड बैंक बोथ आर एसेट्स एंड बोथ आर डिक्रीजिंग because we have to pay cash and from bank respectively. So in this transaction the journal entry shall be cash account purchases account first of all will be debited. Purchases account debit 10 lakh because purchase is an expense. Okay, to cash account कितना कैश मिल रहा है हम लोग को, कितना हम लोग को कैश देना पड़ा 4 लाख हम लोग कैश अभी दे रहे हैं तो 4 लाख शैल बी क्रेडिटेड टू बैंक अकाउंट. बैंक अकाउंट ये क्रेडिट हो गया आपका 6 लाख से. Narration will be being goods bought for 10 lakh of which 4 lakh paid in cash and balance by check. This will be the narration. Now the next transaction 14th number transaction. Now 13th number transaction in the books of Mrs. Ram Enterprises on 3rd Jan 2025 that they bought goods worth of rupees 10 lakh from Mrs. Chandra and Sons of which 40% paid by check and rest is due. देखिए फिर से हम लोग 10 लाख रुपए का गुड्स खरीद रहे हैं चंद्रा एंड सन से, लेकिन इस बार क्या हो रहा है 40% चेक से दे रहे हैं यानी 10 लाख का 40%, 4 लाख पेड बाय चेक और रेस्ट इज ड्यू यानी बाकी उधार है. तो इस तरह के ट्रांजेक्शन्स में देखिए जनरेटिव क्या होगा. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो वी आर परचेजिंग, सो श्योरली परचेजेज अकाउंट डेबिट 10 lakh, because purchase is an expense and it is increasing, and we are paying check, so our bank account is decreasing, sorry, with 4 lakh, and the rest amount is due, we have not paid. So from whom we have bought goods? We have bought goods from Messrs. Chandra and Sons. So Messrs. Chandra and Sons account shall be Chandra and Sons account credit with how much? 6 lakh. So this is the journal entry. Mr. Chandra and Sons is a liability, it is increasing, so it is credited. The narration will be being goods bought for rupees 10 lakh, of which 4 lakh by check and balance is on credit. 14th transaction of Messrs. Ram Enterprises on 3rd Jan 2025, that they withdraw from bank account for use in the business. So in this transaction, what is seen, that the proprietor has withdrawn money from their business bank account and the money is to be used in the business. So the money will be kept in the cash account. So the two accounts are cash account and bank account, but here cash account is increasing by rupees 70,000, because after money withdrawal from bank, the money is kept in office cash, so cash account is increasing, and bank account of the business is decreasing because the money is withdrawn from the business bank account. So bank account shall be credited with rupees 70,000. Journal is cash account debit to bank account. Narration will be being cash withdrawn from bank for office use. 15th transaction. Here, in this transaction, what we see, Ram Enterprises on 3rd Jan 2025 withdrew rupees 5,000 from cash account for personal use of the proprietor. From the office cash box, the proprietor is taking away 5,000 for his or her family expense. So whenever a drawing is done from the business for family use, it is treated under drawing account. So its journey shall be drawing account debit 5,000. Drawing account is under capital account, and when drawing is done, capital account decreases, so drawing account shall be debited, and money is taken from cash account, so cash account is decreasing, and as an asset, if it decreases, it shall be credited, so drawing account debit to cash account. Just a minute. To cash account 5,000. Narration will be cash withdrawn for private use. So in this audio video, I have discussed from 11th to 15th transaction. I hope you will understand. If you can't understand, please call me on my mobile number 9333124957 or 9144950343. Even you can WhatsApp me on 9333124957. Thank you.